There's a friend in Thimble Valley that we're on our way to see, to hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground and his name is Roly Mo. Roly, 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 Roly Mo. He's the rolliest mo you'll ever know, and his name is Roly Mo.
Hello to you. How do you do? I've got my umbrella with me. My mum said she thought it was going to rain in Thimble Valley today, and she didn't want me to get wet.
Get wet? Who's going to get wet?
Oh, don't worry, Migo. I was just saying it's going to rain today.
But rain is wet.
Yes, it is. And that's why I've got my umbrella.
An umbrella?
Yes, an umbrella.
An umbrella. Oh. See you later, little Bo.
Oh, well, I'd better go and tell Uncle Roly I'm here. There. Ready? Then off we go! Whee!
You go! Me go! We go! Amigo! Let's go! Wait, Hugo, wait!
What is it, Migo?
We need an umbrella.
An umbrella? Why do we need an umbrella?
Because it's going to rain.
But it doesn't rain inside.
I know that. But what if it started raining inside?
You're right. Let's go and look in Roly's useful chest. There might be an umbrella in there.
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I'm just looking at the rain clouds through my Rolyscope.
Hello, Uncle Roly.
Oh, hello there, little Bo. I was just telling our friends that it's about to rain. Have a look through my Rolyscope, little Bo.
Oh, yes. It really is going to rain. Just as well I brought my umbrella.
Oh, that reminds me of a story. Would you like to hear it?
Yes, please, Uncle Roly.
Then I'll be back in a Roly Mo.
Story time with Roly Mo, my favourite time of day.
When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you will see? When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. With cats and dogs and birds and frogs, a monkey who says boo. Boo, wonderful things, giants and kings, and maybe a thimble or two. Now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me. Books over here, books over there. Find me a book with a story to share. A story for a rainy day, if you please. Ah, lovely. Now then, are you sitting comfortably?
Yes?
Good. Then I'll begin. One day, it was raining very hard. The mice were getting wet as they did their shopping. The biggest mouse, Bob, wasn't happy. It was a long way home, and they would get even wetter walking back. Just then, though, he saw an umbrella that someone had dropped. He waited to see if someone came back to pick it up, but nobody did.
We can all walk home under this,
Bob said to the other mice. So the mice picked up the umbrella and tried to walk underneath it. But it was very difficult to hold as the wind kept blowing it around.
even with all the mice holding on to it tightly, it wasn't easy. Suddenly, a big gust of wind blew and turned the umbrella upside down. The mice landed inside it with a bump, and all their shopping landed on top of them.
Oh, no,
Said Bob.
we're going to get wet after all.
But suddenly the littlest mouse gave a shout.
Look,
He cried,
we're moving.
and the littlest mouse was right. The umbrella had landed in the gutter where the rainwater was running along the street like a stream. And the umbrella was floating along the stream like a boat, full of the mice and all their shopping. So they sailed all the way home in the umbrella, and it was so exciting that they didn't mind about getting wet at all.
There we go. A rainy day story.
They had fun sailing in their umbrella, didn't they?
Oh, they certainly did. Shall we row our boat down the river and see what we can see?
Oh, let's!
Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row your boat, rock it to and fro. Merrily, 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 down the river we go. Ahoy there! Row your boat, sway from side to side. Can you see the blue galoo? He's trying hard to hide.
Row your boat, there's the red sunset. Jumping high, he's jumping low, standing on his head.
Row your boat, look the pink a blink. Standing by the riverside, he's come to have a drink. Row your boat, there's one more thing to see. Over here, over there, can you see it's me? Oh!
No, where is it? Could that be it? No.
I don't think
I know. Migo, remind me what we're looking for.
An umbrella.
All right, an umbrella.
I don't know.
Is it there?
I don't think that.
Okay,
No.
Migo, what does an umbrella look like?
Well, it's long and thin and...
Green?
Yes, that's it. You found it. Well done.
Now, what are we going to do with it?
Well,
Oh. So that's an umbrella.
Oh. What do we do now?
Jump, of course. Whoa! Whee! Moly mo, this is fun.
Wait for me. That was delumptious.
Let's do it again.
Yes, it is. Yes. You go.
Yes, Migo?
How do we get out of here?
I don't know.
We're stuck, don't we?
Yes.
What are we going to do now?
Whatever we do, we mustn't panic.
What next?
Help! Help! Help!
If you see a blue galoo, don't forget to shout, hey!
That doesn't sound like a blue galoo.
No, it doesn't.
That sounds like Hugo and Migo.
It certainly does. Oh, we'd better go and see what they're up to.
Help! Help!
Oh, hello there.
What are you doing?
We're shouting for help. Help! Help!
It's all right, Hugo, Migo. We're here.
Oh, there you are, Roly.
We're stuck.
Are you now?
And we can't get out.
Then let's think what we can do.
We need to pull them out, Uncle Roly.
Yes, but we need something to pull them out with.
Maybe my busy book can help. Busy book, let's take a look.
Someone is hiding. Who can it be? Is it a Fimble? Who can you see? It's Fimbo. What are we going to do today, Fimbo?
Look, clouds. 1, 2, 3 clouds.
Look, that cloud's changing shape. What's it going to be?
They look like wheels.
And that looks like a funnel. What can it be?
Is it a train?
Yes, it's a train.
What's this cloud going to change into?
This shape has got wheels too.
And it's got a long front.
Do you know what shape this is?
It's a car.
That's right. It's a car. I wonder what this cloud is going to change into.
This one hasn't got wheels. It's got legs. And a long, long nose.
Do you know what it is?
It's an elephant.
That's right. It's an elephant. Which one is the odd one out?
Is it the elephant?
That's right. The elephant is the only animal. Well done. Thank you, Fimbo. See you again soon. Did that give you any ideas, little Bo?
Yes. I know what I need and I'll be back in a roly-mo.
Do you know, in that green umbrella you look like 2 peas in a pod. Or should I say, 2 snoots in a pod.
Here we are. 1 umbrella.
Oh, no, not another umbrella.
But this one's going to help you out of there.
How?
Like this. You next, Migo.
Hooray!
Phew, that's the last time I jump in an umbrella.
Your umbrella is green, Uncle Roly.
Yes, it is.
Just like in the rhyme.
Oh, you're right there, little Bo. Would you like to hear it?
Yes, we would.
As long as it hasn't got an umbrella in it.
The owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money, wrapped up in a 5-pound note.
I like that rhyme.
So did I. No umbrellas in it.
Did you like it, Hugo? Hugo?
Hugo!
Migo!
Don't jump!
Amigo!
Haven't we had fun today?
Yes, it's been a roly-moly day.
You will come and join us next time in Fimble Valley, won't you? Now it's time for us all to go. Cheerio!
Cheerio!
Roly Mo's got a hat for the sun and one knitted by his mum.
This wardrobe's chest of drawers at the department store.
Hello to you. How do you do? I've got my umbrella with me. My mum said she thought it was going to rain in Fimble Valley today, and she didn't want me to get wet.
Get wet? Who's going to get wet?
Oh, don't worry, Migo. I was just saying it's going to rain today.
But rain is wet.
Yes, it is. And that's why I've got my umbrella.
An umbrella?
Yes, an umbrella.
Let's go! Wait, Hugo, wait.
What is it, Migo?
We need an umbrella.
An umbrella. Why do we need an umbrella?
Because it's going to rain.
But it doesn't rain inside.
I know that. But what if it started raining inside?
Ah, you're right. Let's go and look in Roly's useful chest. There might be an umbrella in there.
There's a friend in Thimble Valley that we're on our way to see, to hear him tell his stories, maybe stay for tea. He's a mole who's living underground and his name is Roly Mo. Roly, 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 Roly Mo. He's the rolliest mo you'll ever know, and his name is Roly Mo.
Oh, hello there. And how are you today? I'm just looking at the rain clouds through my Roly scope.
Hello, Uncle Roly. Mwah.
Oh, hello there, little Bo. I was just telling our friends that it's about to rain. Have a look through my Roly scope, little Bo.
Oh, yes. It really is going to rain. Just as well I bought my umbrella.
An umbrella. Oh. See you later, little Bo.
Oh, well, I better go and tell Uncle Roly I'm here. There. Ready? Then off we go! Whee!
You go.
Me go!
We go. Amigo.